Ever hear a strange scratching sound at night? Like fingernails dragging on pavement? In some parts of the world, that sound means your time is up. They call her Tick Tick, a name that mimics the chilling noise she makes. The story goes, she was a young woman who met a tragic end on the railway tracks. Her body severed in two. Now, her vengeful spirit, a torso without legs, drags herself through the city streets on her hands and elbows, moving with unnatural speed. They say she carries a scythe, searching for victims to make them just like her. If she catches you, she slices you in half. So if you're ever out late and hear that telltale tech-tech sound getting closer, don't look back. Just run. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more dark legends.